Okay, so in this video we're going to start adding some terrain to make our world that little bit more interesting in its look. As you can see, our world is a little bit flat at the moment, so we need to add some terrain just to create a little bit more interest. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this. So up here we have the Create Hills or Valleys tool, and we've got some options here. We can either use a square brush or a circle brush. This will allow us to create some quite harsh terrain. Okay, so as you can see, this is quite blocky in its nature. It's going to be quite difficult for the robot to move across this. Alright, so we could add it like that and then use the flatten tool just to try and flatten it out. This isn't making it lower as such, it's just making it more smooth in the way that it builds. Okay, and now the robot's probably going to have a bit of better time getting across there. Okay, so now if we just zoom around, you'll be able to see that terrain in full. Okay, which just makes it that little bit more interesting. Alright, in terms of the other options that we've got here, we can use a bit of a softer brush, alright, to just build up terrain quite naturally, which I think is probably an easier way to do things and allows you to make that world a little bit more interesting. Alright, so I'm going to add some hills and some bumps, some things that are going to make it that little bit harder to get across. Okay, so that's how we add terrain in Kodu.